All the years that I've traveled out here, I've never seen a plane land here. It looks like there's going to be 2 of them coming in for a landing. Yep.
I was gonna touch and do it if not. The one that was like turning it the other way kind of scared me. Like that one.
Mm-hmm.
That one scared me because I thought that was like a car.
You
loud,
did.
like a loud car.
Watch, you're gonna come in for a landing. This dang fly.
There's 2 people.
Yeah. Watch.
Where is he landing?
Right there.
Perfect. That one is loud. It's coming. It's coming.
Yep.
I can ride like a car. What bug is that?
Big one. Greetings and salutations. It's daddy-daughter day out here in the desert. Heather, say hi.
Hi.
So, Sissy and I decided to come out here in the middle of the Mojave Desert and do a little camping. And we first attempted to go up there, up in that canyon up there, and go to a cabin that we visited as a family on a day trip. I'll put that video up here. And the way these volunteer cabins work, if you drive up to one and the flag isn't flying, meaning Old Glory isn't flying on the flagpole, it's available. We got up there, and unfortunately you have to get right up on it to tell whether or not there's anybody there. And of course somebody was there. We didn't get up there until about 3:30 in the afternoon, so it was a little bit late on a Friday yet. So we were going to go from here, if this wasn't available, we're going to go over to another volunteer cabin. There's actually 2 of them over towards SEMA Dome. And we're driving out of here, and there's another old abandoned mine camp up here about, maybe as the crow flies, maybe a half a mile from the volunteer cabin. There's no cabin available, but we weren't planning on sleeping in a cabin anyway. I've got an air mattress for the Jeep. We're just gonna sleep in the Jeep tonight. So I got a fire roaring. Yeah, I know it's a little early, but I wanted to get a bed of coals going so we could cook some dinner. And me and Sissy are gonna camp out in the desert. And I think it's going to be a beautiful sunset right about there in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Right now I need to unload this pig and get the bed set up. I want to get everything set up before it gets too dark and I run out of ambition. I brought a ton of firewood. This thing was completely full, and you know, it's kind of a good thing that we couldn't stay at the cabin because I lost half my load of wood on the way in, so I had to pick it up on the way out. So tonight on the menu, what's on the menu tonight? Tonight is raviolis and ramen noodles, and then tomorrow morning it's eggs and bacon. Does that sound good? Mm-hmm. Oh, and s'mores. We got s'mores, right? You want some s'mores? Tonight? Okay. Yeah, we got s'mores. I'll let this burn down a little bit, so we got a good bed of coals. Cook some s'mores on tonight, and I'll come back when the sun's a little bit lower on the horizon, and maybe do a time lapse of the sunset. The sunsets are beautiful out here, especially on a day like today. Man, there's no wind, not a cloud in the sky. It's a beautiful day out here in the Mojave. What do you think? It's a beautiful day?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. See you in a bit. I took my little thing here, my little cargo thing, and I turned it upside down, and it makes a perfect chair. Here, sit down.
What?
Show the people how that works. Yeah, perfect chair. But 5:30, 5:40. It gets dark early this time of year. So I'm going to set you up here on the hood and run a time lapse, and we can watch the sunset together. looking over the mountains. What a beautiful night. Sun setting. The lights over in the distance there is Baker, California. And the ones to the left there are traffic going to Vegas from the I-15. Just a few miles off the highway. Might as well be in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna sit here and cook some s'mores, watch the moon rise over the mountain, and then probably go to bed. Because what else is there to do out in the middle of the desert? Yeah, we can watch some videos because we got pretty good coverage, don't we?
Yeah, we got good internet.
We got good internet right here. So. The best of both worlds. We're out camping in the middle of nowhere, and we got 4G coverage.
How we're supposed to? I want the mouse.
What?
I want the mouse on your arm.
Ah, don't worry about him.
I want to touch it.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Got you.
You got him. Oh, look at that.
Come on, buddy. Not going in my shirt. Mouse.
What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think? Cook some s'mores?
Yeah.
Okay.
Putting that around. You like yours burn?
Oh, no.
That's a faster way?
Hmm?
That's the faster way?
It's pretty hot in there. Ah.
You scared me! You scared the crap out of me, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, what the heck? Why are you running?
Crispy.
I like mine kinda.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, squishy. Mmm. Tastes like graham crackers, caramelized sugar, and chocolate. Mmm, delish. Mmm. S'mores. I love them. Well, good morning. What do you say?
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, what a nice night, huh? Didn't get too cold. I think it was down mid-40s.
First place because you were
Talking. Because what?
because you were snoring.
I was snoring. I don't snore.
Yes, you do. In the first place, you were. And I couldn't sleep,
You couldn't sleep.
so I looked up the outside.
Oh, it was a beautifully moonlit night, and which is a double-edged sword because when it's that bright at night, you don't see the stars. But if it's dark, if there's like if there's no moon, then you see a lot of stars. But it's really dark, and you know we didn't need light to walk around out here by the campfire because the moon was out. Isn't it? It's going on 8 o'clock, and we have a little breakfast fail here. I already cooked my bacon. That's actually pretty good. But the eggs got cracked in the ride in. Probably doesn't look very appetizing. So we're probably gonna head into McDonald's or something. And once we break camp, get the fire out, we'll head into town, get in. We're only, I mean, you can see Baker from here. Does that sound like fun? Turns out of the 4 eggs that I brought with me, one had a crack in it, but it hadn't oozed out, or a little bit had oozed out, and I just scraped that off, got into it, and it was a good egg. And one had broken pretty good, and there was only a little bit of the yolk left in it, so I just threw that in the fire. And then the third one, the egg white didn't look very good, but the yolk was delicious. This one hadn't cracked, so let's check it out. Not too bad. Forgot salt, man. Actually, this one's a little overdone.
Why does it smell?
Huh?
Why does it always smell like farts?
What? Eggs?
Yeah, those kind.
Why do eggs smell like farts?
Every time when you eat them.
When you eat them?
Yeah.
Well, they really smell like farts after you eat them. About an hour or so after you eat them. Because they actually make farts. The reason they smell like farts is because, I don't know. Do you know why?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Yeah, comment down below why eggs smell like farts. Well, let's take a look at the yolk, eh? Oh, no, delicious. And my bacon. Maple flavored bacon.
I'm just gonna text Mom.
Kind of hard to screw that up.
Donald Trump made a video 2 minutes ago.
Well, Heather didn't want anything to do with the eggs, and I can't really blame her. So she had a s'more for breakfast, didn't you? And the evidence is all over her face. Show me your face. Show me your face. All I got to say is, best dad ever. Excuse me while I finish my bacon. All right. Everything's packed up. I'm gonna hang out here for a little while longer and make sure this is out. And we decided to walk around a little bit. And I found, where'd it go? Found the back window area of an old sedan, like a 1920s sedan. Yeah. Yeah. Right? So this would be nailed to a wooden structure. The canvas roof. That's where the window would go. I'm building like I used to, that's for sure. My daughter has expressed an interest to go back home, so I'm going to honor her request. We're both filthy. We smell like campfire. full of soda and s'mores, and bacon and eggs. Obviously, we didn't get far enough out in the wilderness. Next time, we need to get out where there's no more service. And I'll be so bored. What these kids do without their devices, huh? I don't know about her, but I'll never forget this. I had a great time spending some quality time alone with my daughter. I don't get to do that very much. And I hope that you enjoyed coming along with us. So, just a couple things. If you want to support this channel, check the links in the description to Amazon, PayPal, Patreon. Anything you can do. If you shop on Amazon, that's probably the easiest thing to do. You can go through one of those links to do all your Amazon shopping. If you can do that, the channel earns a little bit of a commission, and that offsets the price of gas and whatnot, camping gear, that kind of thing. If you can afford to do that, thank you. If you can't, that probably means we're related. If you haven't done so yet, please click the subscribe button. Only about 25% of you have done that. I don't know what you're waiting for. It didn't cost anything to do that. It's free. Even I can afford to do that. But if you do click subscribe, don't forget to click the little bell icon. That way you get post notifications. That's pretty important. If you like this video, smash the like button and share it with vast social media network that feeds the algorithm and gets this video in front of more eyeballs. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.